Hello everyone, this is Joy. I want to share with you the problem I encountered on my machine after sewing the face mask and a bunch of bed sheets. I have no clue what's going on the machine that suddenly it's just not making the stitches. It skipped the stitches like this. So I have no idea what went wrong. I was online day and night looking for information, but I couldn't find any. I checked the troubleshooting steps and procedures on the manual regarding the skip stitches, but it doesn't help either. And one of the reason here that it might be the needle is not straight and sharp. Since I only have one needle on this machine, the one attached to the machine, so I decided to go to the Singer Accessories and Repair shop to buy an extra needle and other accessories that I need. While in the store, I noticed that there are a lot of sewing machines lined up for repairs. I asked the lady how much would it cost to repair the machine with a problem, the same problem that I'm encountering. She told me that it would cost me $60, and on top of that, the charge for the parts replacement. She spilled a lot of information that on my mind I already know what to do with the machine. She told me that if I let the technician to do the job, he will just open the machine and check the timing and adjustment of the machine. I came home, I replaced the needle on my machine and tried the stitch, but it doesn't giving me the stitches that I want. And then I decided to open the machine armed with the information I got with the lady. So I turned off the machine, removed the plug, and tilt over the machine. I have no technical know-how, but I decided to open this machine. I removed the screws in here with the screwdriver, and one in here, and one in here, and another one here. So I removed 4 screws and then opened the cover of the machine. When I opened, there was a lot of lint and dust accumulated in this area. And over here in the bobbin casing, there were a lot of dust and lint under here. So I vacuumed with a handheld vacuum to clean up, and then lubricated this parts here. And while cleaning this, I've noticed that this bobbin winding actuating cam was dislodged on the original position. It was on the far left. So it's going like this. So what I did, I push it back to its original position and it locks it there. I put back the cover, return the plug, switch on the machine, and tried stitching. To my surprise, that the machine works perfectly. I was glad that I didn't have to pay the technician for the repair. So that's how I fixed the problem on my skipping stitches on this Touch-Tronic 2001 memory machine. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe. And next time, I'm gonna show you another troubleshooting problem that I encountered on this machine. For now, thank you for watching and bye.